Hey there, I'm Leo. I created this channel because eating out is getting pricey and is not always the healthiest choice. I've lost 20 pounds in just 1 month with intermittent fasting and cooking my own food. Now I want to inspire you to do the same, to cook amazing dishes like this beef Wellington right at home. It's all about saving money, eating better, and having fun in the kitchen. So hit that subscribe button and join me as we explore tasty recipes, tips, and ways to make cooking at home a delicious adventure. Let's make eating well easy, affordable, and a lot of fun. Ciao!